Hi Lisa, I was assigned by Mr. Chavez to brief you in short about what the Softr introduction.
Thanks, Bob. I'm excited to share what Softr can do and why Mr. Chavez select this one to handle his project's assignment.
Great, let's start simple. Softr is a no-code platform that lets anyone build web apps, client portals, or internal tools without writing code.
Exactly. You can connect it directly to Airtable or Google Sheets and instantly turn your data into a working application.
That means small businesses, startups, or even big teams can save time and money while keeping everything secure.
And it's not just about speed. Softr also makes apps look professional with templates, drag and drop blocks, and responsive design.
Right. Plus, you can set permissions so clients and employees only see what they're allowed to see.
This is perfect for projects, tasks, and client management. Instead, I think we will use ClickUp like before. Softr has deeper control and updates right away.
In short, Softr helps anyone build apps faster, cheaper, and smarter.
Couldn't have said it better. Let's get started.